If your iPhone does not have native dual camera features like capturing videos or photos simultaneously using both front and rear cameras, you can use apps to enable this functionality. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open your iPhone, then from the home screen tap on the App Store. Once inside the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then search for the Dual Camera app. Simply type down Dual Camera and press Enter. Then, after you do so, a long list of apps will be shown on your screen. Now scroll down and tap on the Dual Camera option available here. Then tap on the Get. Then you will be asked to authorize to your Face ID, Touch ID or password. Once done, wait for a few minutes for this app to be downloaded on your iPhone. Once downloaded, simply launch this app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Allow option in the camera. Then here, as you can see, it uses both front and rear cameras to record or take photos simultaneously. It is great for vlogs, interviews or reaction videos as well. So simply install this app and allow the app to access your iPhone's camera and microphone.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.